Hello and welcome to newly opened Rove Hotel. It should be a very soon. We'll be welcoming to our guest. Here you can see the pretty much lobby and the full working space. This is the reception and reservation counter. We have a waiting area here, and that's the entrance. Every corner and space is designed very carefully to give a different feeling to a guest. Unless you come here to stay or as your corporate meetings or business meetings. So this is a fully equipped gym. It's overlooking to the poolside. This is what you can see pretty much in the room. It's a fully furnished with a high quality, and every room is decorated as a wow message, and every furniture what you can see here. So this one has the view of downtown with a big sky and the Burj Khalifa. Here is a shelf for your clothes. Every day they are providing a lot of cleaning facilities. Also can use a highly discounted price on your restaurants and other facilities in the hotel. Every room has come up with a monthly package on daily basis.